Hello, welcome to online home classes. Myself Lal Singh, teacher, Government High School, Chandrapur, District Ramban, class 9, subject science, topic matter in our surrounding. Yesterday we discussed about the characteristics of matter. Now today we discuss the classification of matter. Classification of matter on the basis of physical state. All the matter can be classified into three groups. Number one, solid, liquids, and gases. Solid, liquid and gases are called the three states of matter. यानी सॉलिड लिक्विड और गैसेस को क्या कहा जाता है? थ्री स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर. इन अदर वर्ड मैटर एग्जिस्ट इन थ्री फिजिकल स्टेट: सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैसेस. Solid, liquid and gases form of matter have different properties. We discuss the properties of solid, liquid and gases one by one. First of all, we discuss the properties of solid. Solid have fixed shape and fixed volume. Solid have fixed shape and fixed volume. First property, solid have fixed shape and a fixed volume. Solid cannot be compressed much. Solid have high density. They are heavy. Solids do not fill their container completely. Solid do not flow. Example: ice, wood, coal, stone and bricks. We discuss these properties. Solid have fixed shape and fixed volume. A solid has fixed shape because the particles of solid are very closely packed and their position are fixed due to strong force of attraction between them. Another property, a solid has fixed volume. Solid का volume fix क्यों होता है? Because the space between its particle are fixed. इसके particle का space जो होता है fix होता है. तीसरी property, a solid cannot be compressed much because its particle are already very close packed. इसके particle closely packed होते हैं, इसलिए इसको हम ज़्यादा compress नहीं कर सकते. Solid have high density. क्यों होती है? Because its particle are very close together होते हैं. A solid does not fill its container completely because its particles are held tightly by strong interparticular force and hence cannot leave its position to fill the whole container. Solid do not flow easily. और ये easily flow नहीं करता है क्योंकि. Next properties of liquid. Liquid have fixed volume but they have no fixed shape. लिक्विड का वॉल्यूम फिक्स होता है लेकिन इसकी शेप फिक्स नहीं होती है. लिक्विड टेक द शेप ऑफ द वेसल इन विच दे आर प्लेस्ड. वो उस वेसल की शेप ले लेता है जिसके अंदर इसको हम रखते हैं. लाइक सॉलिड, लिक्विड कैन नॉट बी कंप्रेस्ड मच. लिक्विड हैव मॉडरेट टू हाई डेंसिटी, यानी इसकी डेंसिटी जो थी मॉडरेट होती है. दे आर usually less dense than solid. Liquid do not fill their container completely. Liquid generally flow easily. For example, water, milk, juice, ink, etc. यानी सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं liquid do not have fixed shape because the position of its particle are not fixed. जो इसके particles की position fix नहीं होती है इसलिए इसकी fixed shape नहीं होती है. दूसरी चीज़, ये लिक्विड है फिक्स वॉल्यूम. इसका फिक्स वॉल्यूम क्यों होता है? एट गिवन टेम्परेचर द स्पेस बिटवीन द पार्टिकल आर फिक्स. यानी एक गिवन टेम्परेचर पे इनके पार्टिकल का जो स्पेस होता है वो फिक्स होता है. ए लिक्विड कैन नॉट बी कंप्रेस्ड मच बिकॉज इट्स पार्टिकल आर स्टिल क्वाइट क्लोज टुगेदर. ये भी क्लोजली टुगेदर होते हैं. ए लिक्विड हैज कंपेरेटिवली हाई डेंसिटी यानी मॉडरेट डेंसिटी बिकॉज इट्स पार्टिकल आर स्टिल क्वाइट क्लोज. एंड लिक्विड does not fill its container completely because its particles are held fairly strongly by interparticular force. इनके बीच में भी होती है. और liquid easily flow करता है क्यों? because its particles are able to slide over one another due to slightly weaker interparticular force होती है इसके अंदर. that is why liquid flow easily. next property आ जाती है हमारे पास properties of gases. Gases have neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. Gases acquire the shape and volume of the vessel in which they are kept. Second property is gases can compress easily. Gases have very low density. They are very light. Gases fill their container completely. Gases flow easily. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एयर, ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन, स्टीम, एक्सेट्रा. Gases does not have fixed shape because the position of its particle are not fixed. Gases does not have fixed volume because the space between its particle are not fixed. नहीं इसके पार्टिकल के बीच में कुछ जो स्पेस होता है वो फिक्स होता है. A gas can compress easily because its particle are far apart and there are very large space between them. यानी इसलिए इसको हम compress easily कर सकते हैं, इसके पार्टिकल काफ़ी दूर दूर होते हैं. A gas has very low density because its particles are very far apart from one another. Gas can fill its container completely because due to high kinetic energy and negligible force of attraction. Kinetic energy बहुत ज़्यादा होती है और negligible force of attraction होती है. Gas can flow easily because its particles are completely free to move anywhere. ये कहीं भी मूव कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.